So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts, and in today's video I'm excited to share with you guys the 5 companies that you must invest in. But more importantly, if you do not invest in these 5 companies, you will truly regret it, especially investing in these companies now in 2021. So don't go anywhere. I can't wait to break them down with you guys. Let's go get it. So guys, it is great to have you here. I got the inspiration to make this video after one of my TikToks blew up about what companies should you invest in, but more importantly, what companies will you regret not investing in 2021. Now, for me, I am a long-term investor, and I'm thinking about investing in these companies for the long term. If you are not investing in these companies right now, you're gonna miss out on the potential of future growth as the economy is shifting, consumerism is shifting. So please invest in these 5 companies, and if you don't have them in your holdings right now or your portfolio, some of them may be expensive, but these 5 companies are some of the best companies that you can invest in right now and especially for the future. And as Warren Buffett says, it's never a bad time to buy a great company. And that's kind of the truth here. I'm 20 years old, you might be 30, you're in your teens. And if you have not yet invested in these companies, please pull the trigger. These companies will allow you a lot of growth and allow you to make a lot of money. So let's jump into the first company that we all need to invest in. And if you don't, you're gonna regret it. So guys, the first company that I wanna jump right into with is probably not a huge surprise, but right now, Tesla is probably one of the most popular stocks in the stock market right now. And I think that there's a great reason behind that. The truth is the stock's sitting around $870 a share, but there's so much opportunity for Tesla. The way I look at Tesla, not only are they the leader in their industry, the auto electric maker industry, but they continue to dominate. They're very innovative and people believe in Elon Musk, which means that, hey, I know when I invest in Tesla, that they're going to continue to innovate. They're going to continue to push out products that people want, consumers want. And what Tesla is doing is they're really innovating and they're really revolutionizing the market. Now, in 2021, we are becoming more sustainable. We're trying to find alternate sources of power and energy. And Tesla seems to be the face of this movement. Now, there's a lot of competitors that are trying to compete with Tesla, but anytime that there's a competitor or someone that is trying to compete with your market or trying to overtake your power, the truth is you must be doing something right. In this case, I see Tesla doing so many things right. People are trying to catch up on their delay, but they continue to be the first mover. They continue to dominate that market, and they're only going to have continual growth. So I'm super excited to see what Tesla does in the next 5 to 10 to even 15 years. But I can guarantee right now, almost at $800 a share, I can't imagine what's going to be in the next 5 to 10 years. So right now, I think Tesla is still a buy. There's a lot of new opportunities and earnings reports that are about to come out. But Tesla, if you have not invested in them, you're missing out on a lot of money to be made in the future. Now, secondly, coming in hot is Amazon. Right now, their share price is over $3,300, but Amazon, you are an amazing company. So why would you not want to invest in an amazing company? The truth is, I look at it like saying, hey, what is Amazon going to be in the next 20, 30 years? And the truth is, I think they are just getting started. Not only are they dominating so many different industries, they are continuing to innovate. The cloud computing space, they continue to dominate. Secondly, the e-commerce continues to grow. And imagine in the next 5 years, I don't think people are going to be going to retail stores. Malls are going to be closed. Everything is going to be purchased through Amazon. People love the frictionless shopping, as well as things showing up on your doorstep the same day or the next day. We are very impatient creatures, and Amazon's business model suits exactly to what the consumers want. So you might be thinking, Amazon is too expensive right now. They're overvalued. There's no way that I want to invest in Amazon. But in the long term, Amazon is going to continue to push out so many industries. They're going to continue to dominate a lot of spaces, and they are probably one of the biggest threats to a lot of small businesses, retailers, and they continue to dominate the world. So I think Amazon is a must buy, and you have to start investing in Amazon. Buy fractional shares if you have to, but over the long term, the next 20 to 30 years, you're going to look back and say, hey, I'm so grateful that I invested in Amazon when I was 20, 15, 30 years old, because in the future, there's the opportunity to make a lot of money on this smart investment. So coming in at third is a great company that I think we all need to jump right onto and begin investing in. Right now, it's sitting over $200, and this is the company Square. Now, Square is a very dominant company. The reason I love this company, and the reason a lot of investors are siding with Square, especially a very notable source, the Motley Fool, really preach on investing in Square, is that Square continues to help solve that problem of a cashless society. Now, as time continues to go on, think about how much cash you have in your pocket right now, or when you go shopping, do you have cash when you? Well, Square is the company. Square has the product to solve these problems. They have the payment processor that helps small businesses, retail stores, online stores receive electric payment. Now, this might not seem very innovative, but the truth is cash is going to continue to die. And I think in the next 5 to 10 years, everyone is going to be paying through a Square processor, or every time you pay with something, there's not going to be cash involved. So please take advantage of this e-payment processing, a cashless movement, because you want to get your hands on this. Consumers are showing that we don't want cash anymore. Bitcoin is coming into the picture. More credit cards, more debit cards, PayPal, Venmo, Square, Zelle, all these companies are taking advantage of this movement. So put your dollars behind a company that people believe in, as well as has great finances, as well as they're backed by an awesome leader. So take the opportunity, invest in this company. Square has the potential to grow over the next 5 years, and I think it's a company that we all need to be invested in. So coming at fourth is Shopify. Right now they're sitting under $1,200 per share. You might think that's a little expensive, which it may be, but long-term, Shopify would be a great investment. Now, the reason why Shopify is such an amazing company is because they continue to help solve this online demand, people shopping online. And especially through the coronavirus, this company really performed well as it helped so many businesses help run an online website, help create an online store, and help businesses stay open and stay alive when people couldn't go to their physical stores. Now, this is part of the movement of people going away from shopping in stores and going to e-commerce, and Shopify provides that answer. They help you and help small businesses set up small stores online that people can go to their websites and purchase products. But in the next 10 to 20 years, think about how many businesses are going to have websites. If you don't have a website in the next 2 to 3 years, you're going to get washed up. The truth is, Shopify provides the solution. Shopify is probably one of the biggest competitors with Amazon, and a lot of analysts are predicting that this company right here, Shopify, has a lot of strong potential in the future, and Amazon should be a little worried about this company, Shopify, because they're becoming more and more powerful, and they continue to be the answer to the current economic ship of consumerism online. And coming in at number 5 is a great company sitting under $300 right now per share, is Facebook. Now, Facebook, when you think of it, you're like, this is a Facebook platform, why would someone invest in it? But you have to remember that Facebook owns Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. There's so many things that Facebook are controlling right now, but most importantly, they are the largest social media company in the world. Now, Zuckerberg is amazing. He is a great leader. He's continuing to innovate, push out new products, continuing to even think about creating some type of e-commerce platform through Facebook Marketplace. They continue to grow and they continue to scale, and they are trying to compete with Amazon as well. Now, they make most of their profit, basically all their profit, through their advertising platform. That's what Facebook and all these social media platforms are. But the thing is, there is a huge shift in the way that people are advertising and people are spending their ad dollars. They're starting to go right through Facebook. Facebook's revenues continue to increase because small businesses all want to catch the attention and the power of marketing on Facebook. Now, in the future, I think personally that Facebook is going to destroy physical advertisement. Everyone's eyes are on Facebook. People want to market on Facebook, and even these old business owners are starting to see that, hey, I need to start marketing on Facebook. I don't have a social media page. I'm missing out on a lot of money. So the next 5 to 10 years, I'm really excited to see what Facebook does. They continue to grow. They continue to innovate, push out new products and service, as well as tap into new markets and industries. And I can't wait to see as well what they're doing with AI. Zuckerberg has a lot on his mind. So right now, Facebook is still a buy. So if you don't have this company, you're gonna be missing out on the potential of a lot of money and a lot of growth in the future. So go out there, take the bets on Facebook. I really believe in it, and they continue to just have so much upside in the future. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not yet, subscribe, comment, or even like this video. Please let me know what you think, as well as your thoughts on some stocks that we think we need to invest in 2021. I'm thinking long term. I'm thinking about investing in great companies now so I can create wealth in my future. So guys, it means so much to me that you could watch this video. If you have any questions, like I said, leave them below. I will see you guys in the next video. Have an amazing rest of your day. Love you guys. Peace out.